This is Lexi. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. This is my kids' lunch video, what they have for lunch, to help you throw something together really quickly if you're in a pinch or don't know what to give them, because lunches every day, 5 days a week, can be pretty tough for school, especially if they don't like to buy. But first, smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Weekly Kids lunch ideas. On the left, I have a water bottle, a juice bag, animal crackers, Smucker's Uncrustables, which after this box I will not buy anymore because Smucker's was a real not nice company raising it that much. I can see 10, maybe 20 or 30 cents raise, but $1 raise is just nasty. Peanut butter crackers and Doritos. Over for my tween, Jacqueline, and bottled water. I threw in a juice because they've been drinking them lately, in case they don't want the chocolate milk. An Uncrustable, fruit by the foot, Aldi version of the little bear claws there, and some Doritos. Now we're going to put everything into the lunch bag. Do one bag at a time here. My kid has practice after school, cabaret, and then goes to swing on Mondays, which is like chorus. And get the Doritos on the top. What I do is always put the heavy stuff in, and then the sandwiches, and then anything breakable or small. And for my tween, it's a little different style bag. Bottled water down at the bottom. Then I put the juice after the Uncrustable. It's actually a honey bun, not a bear claw. It's the Aldi's version. The fruit by the foot and the Doritos on the top because they are breakable and small. This is what the kids have for lunch on Monday through Friday. When there's school, when we have a 3-day weekend or spring break or whatever, there will not be a kids' lunch video. Just for a heads up, when we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subs, one for people who comment. If you comment all the time, you have to already be subscribed and a U.S. residents. If you're new, you have to comment and say hi down below and be U.S. residents. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out one 5 items prize pack, valued at $6.25 from the Dollar Tree. Same rules apply. All that information is always down below in my description box. And please go over to Mama 4 Boys, my friend Rachel Davis, and check out their channel. It is very cool. Similar videos. You will like her a lot, and please subscribe. I pre-plan things in place the night before in my grocery shop and grab things I think they will like to eat. We do have a school microwave, so other days they'll be getting a hot lunch, depending on how wet or cold it is. When it's warmer out, it's more of a simple lunch with extra drinks because it is hot out and they do a lot of exertion at school. Before we go, don't forget to smash on that subscribe board, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget about the videos. Share me to social media. Thank you for watching.